Hey everyone, what's up? I'm Sharon from McStenley. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a live demo of how you can set up the ultimate small business snapshot for your clients. But before I get into that, I want to ask you all one very important question. So, as an agency owner, what's more important to you? Is it your time or learning the ins and outs of every single technical detail in HighLevel? I'll give you a moment to think, but let me give you one quick hint. It's your time. It's your most valuable asset and the only one that you can never get back. Whenever you waste time, you lose out on key opportunities and tons of money. So with every new agency owner, once you get a few clients under your belt, you know you have to provide them with crazy amounts of value if you want them to stay for years and years to come. But how can you do that? How do you do that? The answer is by creating a system for your clients, a system that they can run their business off of, a system that runs their daily sales and marketing operations. And this should be something that they rely on every single day. So, HighLevel gives you the platform to create that system. But still, you have to spend hours, days, and weeks to actually build it out and create it. The problem is that when you open up a HighLevel account, it is a completely blank slate. You have to put all the pieces together to create a kick-ass system that your clients can't live without. But before you can even create a system like that, you have to understand the ins and outs of HighLevel. So that's where the trade off of your time and learning the technical details comes in. Now, take a step back and be realistic with me. Do you have 4 to 6 months to spend learning a software before you're able to make money off of it? Now, let me put it into perspective. If you're on the $497 Saas plan, which you need to be on to resell HighLevel, that's $2,982 on a HighLevel subscription if you spend 4 to 6 months learning it, before you're even able to see a single dollar back on your investment. Let me tell you, there's a better way. So, our ultimate small business snapshot gives you all the tools you need to implement that kick ass system for your clients. All the essential automation that your clients will just expect you to have are pre-built for you. Plus, it has more advanced automations to really set you apart from the competition. So, if you want to save 4 to 6 months and at least $2,982, then take 20 minutes today, watch this demo video right here, and you'll immediately realize all the value that you can begin to offer your clients. So go ahead and watch that video, plus finish watching the rest of this video where I'm going to show you a live demonstration of how you can go ahead and set your clients up a small business snapshot. And let me tell you, you do not have to reinvent the wheel. This snapshot is the key to saving yourself months of time, headaches, and blank stares at the screen when you're trying to sign up a new SaaS client. Now, let me tell you the best part. And this is really how you can sign up tons of new clients with minimal effort. You purchase a snapshot one time, just one time, and you can use it for every new client that you have. Plus, when you buy the snapshot from Extendly, you get hands-on service to really set you up for success. With your ultimate small business snapshot, with your purchase, not only do you get this awesome snapshot that's going to turn into something your clients can't live without, but you also get 3 months of free snapshot tech support. So imagine having an entire tech support team at your fingertips to answer any questions that you may have about the snapshot or that your clients may even have about the system. You also get a video training course to learn how to make the most out of each feature in the snapshot. And you get an optional one-on-one onboarding for us to set up the snapshot with you. Not to mention, you get 1 year of updates completely for free. So we make these updates frequently and based on demand. So if you want a feature that we don't have in the snapshot, simply send us your idea and you may see it in a future update release. So this one-time purchase comes preloaded with all the automation, email templates, forms, funnels, and tags, and so much more that you'll need to get your clients up and running in that kick-ass system that they can't live without. So if you want to save yourself 4 to 6 months of time, then spend just a little bit of time today to watch this live demonstration of how easy it is to get somebody set up with this snapshot. And then go ahead, after you're done watching this video, watch this demo video, and that'll show you everything that you get in this ultimate small business snapshot. All right, so how do you set up a new client with this ultimate small business snapshot? I'm going to show you guys everything that we do to set up a new client with this ultimate small business snapshot, how to get them connected, their website connected, A to Z, everything. All right, so once we've loaded in the snapshot into their account, I have the training course that pulled up, and I'm going to follow step by step of things to do here. Imported the snapshot, done, added users, updated profile, and complete integrations. Let's go ahead and take care of that. So you need to add a user into the account. So go to my staff and make sure at least one person is in here. This should be your client. And then we're going to go to integrations and make sure you have their Google account connected. If they have a Facebook, Instagram, these are business accounts, make sure those are connected. A Stripe account, if you plan on using payments for them, make sure that you get that connected. And this is really easy to do. You can do this with them on the call. We have onboarding services that take care of this for you, and a whole bunch of other things on that onboarding. We train them and everything. But yeah, so here you just your client would have to go in and sign in with Google, select their account, press allow, and voila, now it is connected. And then if you have so this is really important, your clients, especially if they're local businesses, will or should have a Google My Business account. Now, once you connect the Gmail, Google My Business will automatically pop up here to also connect. But you have to make sure that the account that you're connecting, the Gmail account that you're connecting, is the same one that they used to make their Google My Business profile. Then it'll pop up. If you've connected a different one and the Google My Business has a different one on file, you won't see it. So make sure that whatever is in your GMB is the one that you connect here if you want that to populate. All right, so close. And then if you have ad accounts and other things, select connected to this email, those will also populate, and you connect that here as well. So here is where you can go ahead and choose the GMB page, and of course connect Facebook and Instagram as well as Stripe. All right, so once all of that is taken care of, you want to go ahead and go over to the profile. So in profile, help them update their password if you've started them off with a temporary password. For the email signature, let's go ahead and update that. They can populate their email signature that they already have existing, or you can really quickly set up one for them, right, with their name and their business name, their company, and their phone number. Phone number, we recommend using the Twilio number that you get set up for them. So this is the one I'm going to put. And they can put a website address here as well. And then here you can customize it more by adding in photos and things like that. And then here, make sure that they have the correct time zone selected. And then here you would put in the hours that they would like to take meetings at. So this availability is related to the calendar that are set up in the system. And be sure to click update availability. Meeting location. You can have them connect a Zoom or Google Meet account, and it's as easy as just going through the prompts again. Then click on update availability. Here, super important, once you do have Gmail connected, you want to come here and sync the calendar. This will allow any appointments that get booked into HighLevel will be synced onto their Gmail calendar or their Outlook, whichever one they use most often. So it works with Gmail and Outlook. But if you want the appointments to be synced so they can view it in and out of the CRM, be sure to come here and select this. All right, and then we leave this as that, save. And then if they have another calendar, another email that they want to check conflicts against, you can go ahead and do that right here. All right, let's go ahead and let that save. All right, so next in our training course, we have Twilio number. So you would go over to phone numbers once you have, your Twilio account configured and everything, and then just put in whichever area code that they want to buy the number in. Go ahead and select the number, type in that area code, and we have a whole training on the best settings when you're configuring their Twilio number, so be sure to watch that. And next, we're going to go ahead and enable their calendars. So now we have groups, which is awesome. But what you're going to, so you see how these are grayed out? That means no one is assigned to this calendar. So what you're going to do is here, edit. Changed it and I'm throwing me off. All right, so you would go ahead and click on add user, select your name, and then here, make sure you select the meeting location, and you can do the event colors. We already have this preset for you, so that's all good. You can go in and change the description if you feel like. Just the office hours here, whatever you set in your profile will take over and overwrite whatever is here. So you don't have to worry about this too much. But if you have multiple teams in this group, then you would. And let's see, you want to go ahead and click here, enable service. Make sure you save, always save. Okay, it's always good to have a buffer in between appointments. So 15-minute buffer, and you should have a scheduling notice. You can go ahead and decide how long you want that scheduling notice to be. For me, I personally like a 4-hour scheduling notice, so that gives me enough time to just mentally prepare myself. But it depends on the industry, so this is something that you can go ahead and ask your clients once you're getting their calendars set up and how many appointments they want to take in a day. So I'm going to set this to 4. I like 4 appointments in a day. And these should all be set already, so you can just go ahead and complete. And you're going to go ahead and click enable service. There you go. Now that calendar is configured. Okay, next we have in our training course, connect a domain. All right, so domain, super important. Your clients should have a domain. They for all the funnels and websites to work within the system, they do need a domain. So whether you buy it for them or they already have one, or you show them how to buy one and guide them through that one way or another, we highly recommend that they have a domain connected to the CRM. And it's super easy to buy a domain. If your clients are not tech savvy, we recommend that you buy one for them or guide them through on buying one. And then we watch this training on how to connect it back to here. So once that's done, you're going to go to sites and you're going to connect all of these funnels to the domain. So you go to settings and you're just going to select the domain from the drop down, press save. Easy. And just go ahead and do that for all the funnel. All right. So that there's domain, connecting domains, unlocking your snapshot. So to unlock your snapshot, you're going to go here. And when you come here, you're going to see an area where it says set up snapshot, and that's all explained in this video, so I don't want to get into that. So once you go ahead and unlock that, you're good to go and use your snapshot. And after you're done doing that, you're going to come here, you're going to copy this link right here, and we are going to switch. Let me go ahead and duplicate this first. Switch to agency view, and then go to settings, custom menu link, and go ahead and add this, and you're going to click on create new. You can select whichever icon you want, and name this something like setup, right? Or your setup. I'm going to name it setup your account. What this does is it helps us set up the snapshot. and go ahead and paste this in. And you can choose to show this across all accounts or only specific accounts. Any account that has a small business snapshot in it, we recommend that you do show this on that account and open it up in a iframe inside the account. Then go ahead and press save. So once you do that, it's going to look like this. So here are 6 steps that somebody would go through to set up their account. So first is step 0, that's internal. You can go ahead and take care of this for them. So what you would do is put the subdomain here, or domain, subdomain, whichever one that you have connected. So I'm going to copy that and paste that here. And then your agency's name. So that this is, here we're talking about you, the marketer, the marketing agency, your agency's website, and your CRM app login URL, and a support email address that they can reach you at. Save. And then I'm not going to get into this because this is all covered in the training course, but you would go through and answer all these questions with your clients to get them all set up on here. So that takes care and fills in all of the relevant information that we need. Now, I want to make sure that I am optimizing this as much as possible for my clients. So, if your clients already have a website, the number one thing that we always say is that your clients should have some sort of website, some sort of digital presence where people can go find them and learn more about them, right? It doesn't have to be super fancy, but it needs to be up there so that they can give out their link, and it will make operating a whole lot easier for your clients once they have a good functioning website. So what HighLevel recently did, which is amazing, they released a whole bunch of new funnel and website design templates. This makes it so much easier for you to literally flip a switch and get a website for your clients. So that is one awesome, easy way to get a website for your clients. Or they may already have a website on WordPress or any other builder. So it's easy to integrate that as well. And I'll show you how. Or you may be a website design agency and you will create the website for your clients. So in one of those 3 ways, your clients will receive a website for them to use. So what I'm going to show you guys is I'm going to go to the websites area, and you click on new website, go to template library, and you have tons of options here to choose from, it has almost every single niche you could imagine. And once you click on a niche that is appropriate for you, you have different designs here that you can browse through and pick whatever one that you like. So I'm going to choose this physical therapy one, and let's go ahead and press get this template. All right, give it a few minutes. All right, now that you have your website, go ahead and open it up. All right, so when you open it up, check that out. You have 3 pages, the home, appointment, thank you. Some websites in there are literally 5 pages long. So just go ahead and take a look at, which design that you want. But I really liked this design. All right, so now what you're gonna do is go ahead and click edit, and let's connect everything. So you just want to take a look at it, make sure it is speaking to you, things like this. So I would put in here your client's address, their Twilio number in the tell area, and their hours of operation. So welcome to your company. I would put the name of their company here, and let me show you guys a super cool trick. So if you're gonna be if you have a client in a particular niche, right, and you're gonna be using a template like this over and over again for several different clients, customize this once and do it through custom values. So let's take a look at this. All right, so go over to the custom value section. You want to find their business name, right? So go ahead and type in business name, business short name. There we go, business short name. And then pop back over here. And that is what we're going to paste here instead. So now I'm setting this up for one client, right? But I want to use this for my future clients as well. Now it's going to be super easy. I've done this once. I've invested the time once. Now every new client, all they have to do is go ahead over here and set up your account. They're going to enter their business name here, and that sets up all the values everywhere. So let's try this. Let's put in orange. Okay, press save. All right, and then press save here. Preview. There you go. So do this once for one client, and then now you have this template site to use for every new client that comes in. Replace the logo. You're going to use logo. And you're going to put that in right there. Easy. All right, so now that you have that set in place, one of the most important things is going to be redirecting this button, the Get an Appointment button, which is your call to action button. So go ahead and click on that element. And what we're going to do is this template comes with a page that is an appointment page. So we're going to click on Go to Page, and it's going to go to Appointment. And let's go ahead and do the same thing here. Go to Page, Appointment. Same thing here. Go to Page, Appointment. All right. And I always think every section should have a button so that when they're scrolling down, you can make it super easy for them to get in touch with you. So what I did is cloned it by clicking on this and then dragged it up here. And that one will also have the Go to Page Appointment. I'm going to clone it again and put one right in the header. And you can go ahead and once you click on it, change the alignment around to more match the style of the page. All right, so those are all set. I'm gonna now go ahead and click save. All right, so now that the Get Appointment button has been set, we're gonna go to the appointment page. Here, so you're here, you're going to go ahead and click on the calendar, and calendars are already pre-built for you. So I'm going to click on this schedule a call with us, and I'm going to just move some things around. Don't need this. I don't want this. I'm going to remove this entire thing here, and here I'm going to write grab a date And then I don't like how stretched out this is looking, so I'm going to add some padding on the left and right to make it just a little more snug. And I'm going to click on the column, and I'm going to do the same and add some padding on the left and right. So here I'm going to put a break, and I'm going to center align this. Instead, grab a date and time below, press to meet with you. Looks much cleaner. And then let's go ahead and press save. And when you're, if you've gone to your home page and you've already edited the header and footer to match what you need, one hack that I'm going to show you, because you don't want to have to recreate the work that you put into, completing the name, email, phone number. You don't want to have to do that again. So you're going to go ahead and click save. Click on that section and you're going to press save, and you're going to turn this into a global section. So now go ahead and type in global website footer, save, and we're going to do the same thing with here. And I'm going to name this global website footer 2 with copyright. Just to clarify exactly what this is. Now go ahead and press save, and let me show you guys the easiest thing. Now that these are global sections, when we go to the appointment, I'm going to go to add section. You're going to go to global sections, and drag and drop your footers here. So add section, global sections, and go ahead and do the same. Move this down. Move it to exactly where we need it to be. Now we can go ahead and delete this one and delete this one. Perfect. And the logo, again, I'm going to swap this out for the custom underscore values dot logo. There you go. Press save. There you go. Your appointment page is set. Now you want to go ahead and click on your calendar, and you want, let's go ahead and make sure that it's redirecting to the correct place. So go ahead and click on it, and we're going to, instead of use action from calendar builder, we're going to go to website URL. And now let's go ahead and set what that website URL would be. Press save and exit. And I'm going to go ahead and clone this thank you page. Okay, so now if you open up the thank you page, this is what it looks like. It's okay, but we could really upgrade it. So what you're going to do is go to funnels, and we have pre-built templates and designs in this snapshot for you to use. So if you go to funnels and open up any one of these calendar pages, let's go and click on the thank you page for main calendar, and then click edit once it loads up. All right, so go ahead and click edit. Once you're here, I'm going to show you how easy it is that you can take any design, make a template out of it, and reuse it. So the fact that this snapshot comes with a bunch of pre-designed things is super helpful. Any design that you like, you can go ahead, copy it, and use it. So what we're going to do is go to manage sections, and we're just going to go ahead and find this one. So I'm going to go, and this one highlights entire thank you page content. So I'm going to go ahead and press save, and you can go ahead and name this as thank you page or calendar thank you page section, and then go ahead and press save section. Now let's go ahead and go back. Let's go back to our website. You're going to press edit page on that thank you page. And what we're going to do is go ahead and click on section. You're going to click add section, go to my layouts, and drag in that section that we just made. All right, there we go. So let's go, and you can keep it like this blank white if you like, or I'm going to show you how to get this background on it. So let's go ahead and, so I'm going to go ahead and delete this headline and delete this headline, and instead drag over this headline to the bottom, drag that there, and I'm also going to drag this right here to the bottom as well. There you go. And then I can delete this, delete this, delete this, and then this. Like we know, we're going to go ahead and put in the custom underscore values dot logo. There we go. And then I want the text to be a little bit more clear, so I'm going to click on the background image and do a heavy fade. There we go. And again, like we mentioned, you can go ahead and put in your global footers. Again, go ahead and press add section. You're going to put in this one and add section. You're going to go ahead and put this one. Now you're a website developer. You have successfully built a website. Imagine the hours and hours that this would take if you didn't start from a template, or the hundreds or thousands of dollars that you would have to spend building and getting somebody to build a website like this. Now it's done for you. You can use this over and over again for different clients. All right, so let's take a quick look at what it looked like before and what it looks like now. The best part here is that this is, again, on custom values. So when somebody books an appointment with you, they're going to be able to automatically add to their Google Calendar, Outlook calendar. It'll give them the meeting date and time. That'll automatically be pulled in here, and the location. And then you can go ahead and add in any more content right here. So I think that's a much cleaner look. And now remember, last thing we were talking about, that contact us page. So let's go to, so now that we went to settings and renamed our pages appropriately. And I went to the settings here and selected a domain, press save. Now I'm just going to preview the contact us page, and I'm going to preview the thank you page. And now let's go back to our home page, edit page, and I'm going to hover over contact us. I'm going to change this. Instead of go to page, I'm going to click go to website, actually go to page, and I'm going to select the contact us page here. And then go ahead and press submit, save. And now I'm going to go to the appointment page. And remember, we needed a redirect action here. So let's go ahead and click on our calendar. And we previewed the thank you page. So we're going to pull up this link, copy it, and place that here. Press save. And then let's go to the contact us page now. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this. We're going to go to element, add element, and I'm going to select form. And drag and drop the form. And when you click on select form, you're going to select contact us form. There you go. I'm going to make the background a heavy fade again. And I'm going to write here, let's get in touch. There you go. Easy. I'm going to do a redirect action. This is going to be go to website URL. Actually, let's go ahead and use action from form builder. I'll show you guys how to double check that real quick. So the last thing you would need to do here is change out the logo again. I'm telling you guys this, you make this template once, you can use it for your future clients over and over again. And then let's delete this as well. Section, this should be second nature by now. Global sections, drag that in, add section, drag that in. Okay, save. Beautiful. And then just be sure to make sure everything looks good on mobile, which it does. Awesome. And I'm going to quickly go to Forms, and I'm going to go to the Builder. Okay, go to Forms, open up that Contact Us form, and then go to Options. All right, so when you go to options, you're going to see this on submit message. So when somebody submits this, they're going to see this message. So you can go ahead and customize this as needed. As a default, we've put in awesome, we'll be in touch soon. And I'm just going to go ahead and write, please check your, and then go ahead and press save. Now when we go back to our website, let's see how everything looks and flows all together. So this is the site. People can go ahead and click all these buttons, scroll to the appropriate areas. When they click on Contact Us, it takes them to the Contact Us page. Go ahead and submit your information here. Once you submit your information, you will see this message. Awesome, we'll be in touch soon. Please check your email. Great. And then let's go ahead and take a look at what happens when you click on Get Appointment. It takes you to the calendar. Here you can pick a date and time, and then again, schedule meeting. Beautiful. Tells you when the meeting was scheduled. Once you link in your Zoom, it'll give you the link here. So the beauty of the snapshot is all of the workflows behind it. When you go to the conversations or contacts, you can see that a contact has already been created from the information that I submitted. And you can see that it tagged us as from Contact Us form because we filled out that form, tagged me as a new lead, and tagged me as scheduled a call because I scheduled a call as well. And it went ahead and sent to me meeting confirmation and reminders that my call was coming up. It sent me a message that, okay, we've received your message. Thanks for contacting us. And so these are the current workflows that I'm in. And so I was in the Contact Us, and now I'm in the confirmation and reminder, schedule a call calendar workflow. So that is the beauty of the snapshot. The other thing that we did to set up was we also installed the web chat widget. Now when you go into Z003, you can see you already have something pre-built for Contact Us. You already have something pre-built for the web chat widget. When we were setting up this client, we got them integrated with Facebook, and we got them set up with GMB as well. So all of those new incoming lead methods are taken care of, and you really just have to turn those things on, the workflow, the automation, and respond to those clients. Let your user know this is how you got a new lead. That is all taken care of. And then, you can go ahead and do other things like start a database reactivation and get your clients up and started, or do a review request campaign. The possibilities there are endless, but this was a live demo, live setup of getting a new client set up with the Ultimate Small Business Snapshot. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you have any questions. For more content like this that makes getting started with HighLevel easy, be sure to subscribe to this channel. We are always releasing new tips, tricks, hacks about making your HighLevel journey easier. Thank you. Take care.